Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we'll be going to see how much income certificate annual income will be for urban and rural area to eligible for the scholarship. Okay, so some students asked me about the rural area and some student asked me about the urban area. So in this video I'm going to clarify that how much annual income should be there in the income certificate to eligible for the scholarship. Okay, so for the if we see about the rural area, in rural area your annual income should be 1.5 lakh, less than 1.5 lakh, and for urban area your income certificate should be 2 lakh, less than 2 lakh, so that you are eligible for the scholarship. Okay, so your income certificate should be in this annual income, okay, less than 1.5 lakh and less than 2 lakh, then only you are eligible for the scholarship. And if your income is more than the eligibility criteria what is given here, if it is more than that, then you will not receive any scholarship from the government. Okay, if you are new on my channel and want to know more notification, want to know more knowledge about anything, just subscribe my channel and share my channel with your friends. Thanks for watching.